Well, now, that's a fine... We need to verify the sensor spec.
That's it, just like that.
All right, lift it. This steak is simply wonderful, John.
Good morning, sir. I have prepared your breakfast.
Thank you, old friend. It looks wonderful. We need to verify the sensor specs before we commit. Checking the database now, Doctor. Good afternoon.
The current simulation shows peak efficiency at this angle.
Yes, but consider the inverter placement for localized resistance. Adjust the schematic.
Understood. Rerouting the wiring now.
Now that's what I call craftsmanship. Absolutely.
That's it, just like that. Now, tilt the blade slightly and follow the line of the fins.
Thank you so much for protecting the lake, and we really appreciate it. My pleasure. The lake gives us so much.
We'll put the corner right here, by the lumber. Acknowledged. Extending the baseline measurement now. Perfect. That gives us a good 20 feet clear of the garden. Easy now. Center it right there. We need to secure the top bolts before the next section arrives. All right, lift it another 2 inches. Perfect, perfect. Hold it steady while I secure the plate.
A little to the left, just like that. Alignment confirmed, Master. Perfect, thank you.
She's been in the family for generations. I'm really hoping you can fix her up.
Well, let's have a look. We'll do our best. Looks like the alternator belt finally gave up the ghost. Can you check the voltage readout? Confirmed. Battery core indicates low charge and the serpentine belt is misaligned.
You did an incredible job. I really appreciate it. Glad we could help get her back on the road.
This steak is simply wonderful, John. You and Sarah have truly outdone yourselves tonight.